What is the problem?
Okay. Say the word, Katia.
Hey, you want to go outside? Huh? You want to go outside? Do you? You want to go outside?
She's like, what you waiting for?
Huh? Are you ready now? Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready to go outside?
She like, hello, you're
Huh?
taking too long. You're taking too
No?
long. Let's go. Let's
What?
go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go outside. Oh, she gonna scratch you.
Hold on.
All right. He gotta answer his phone, Sparkle.